Pag pinanood nyo, yung napapagaling yung team niya. Gumagaling yung kakampi niya, nakakakontrol sila. Hindi nakakascore sa kanila at nalalamangan nila yung kalaban. Yun, basic.
For a more simple explanation, Quines getting into the passing lane. 4-on-1, Quines with the left hand.
You gotta get him going, Gillian Quines.
First field goal for Quines, and he's only taken 3 shots so far. Rosales misses that time. Ball goes to the Greenies. Let's check out what happened here. Quines, just interfering, disrupting that play. And it ends with his first basket here in Game 3.
Aatakihin na naman nila. Number 1 team when it comes to pace. Ito nakita mo, disiplinado, loaded. Early blitz to, kaya pinapatabi na ni Quines yung banda. Backline defense.
Quines drops in the triple. Gillian Quines, a 17-point lead. Quines drops his defender and nails the short stab. Fire extinguisher provided by Quines. They need more of that if they want to make a game out of this. 15-point lead for Perpetual. And they can afford that because
lalim
ng lineup nila. Quines, squeezing one in. Ang daming pinagdaanan doon ni Gillian Quines bago nakuha yung basket.
Ian Gomez yung nakatapat sa kanya. He can easily elevate over him. Ayun, nandun na naman. 5 ang nakapalibot kay Gillian Quines. Naka-strong side help na nga. Wala na silang pakialam Pag nag-bad shot kayo or turnover, ta-transition kayo kasi yan ang ginagawa namin everyday. Rarat-rat kami off a stop.
83-55 now. Salt to the wound for Perpetual.